This message is brought to you by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration Office of Women's Health. About half of all people who use medicines do not use them as directed. This can cause serious health problems. Here are some things to keep in mind to help use medicines wisely. Talk to your healthcare provider about your medicines. Ask questions to know what you're taking and why, when you should take it and how. Also ask about side effects. Before you take any medicine, make sure it's the right one. Check the label for a list of ingredients, warnings, and the expiration date. If you're allergic to anything in the medicine, don't use it. Ask your doctor or pharmacist for a different one. Make a list of the medicines that you take. Use the My Medicines brochure to keep track of your prescription and over-the-counter medicines. Write the name of your medicine, how much you should take and when, and what the medicine's for. Keep the list with you all the time and show it to your doctor, nurse, or pharmacist. To get your My Medicines brochure, go to fda.gov/womenshealth-safe meds.